How to clear watch history in the Netflix app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clear the watch history in the Netflix app. First, open the Netflix app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Then scroll down to the Continue Watching section on the home screen. Now, find the movie or series you want to remove. Tap on the three dots below the title. Then select Remove from Row from the menu that appears. When the confirmation prompt appears, tap OK. The title will be removed from your list. Repeat these steps for any other titles you want to clear from your history. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your recently watched history on Netflix. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.